Dear students, we will continue the chapter Trigonometric Identities. Let's go through some problems of exercise 21b. First question, prove that cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A is equal to sin A plus cos A. So, the LHS cos A divided by 1 minus tan A. Tan A, we will rewrite tan A in terms of sin and cos. So, 1 minus sin A by cos A plus sin A, keep as it is, sin A divided by 1 minus cot A, we will rewrite it 1 minus cos A by sin A. So, 1 minus sin A by cos A, take this part, 1 minus sin A by cos A is equal to, here the denominator is cos A, take LCM cos A into 1, it is cos A minus sin A by cos A into cos A cancel, we get sin A divided by the LCM cos A plus sin A, keep as it is, again sin A into 1, that is sin A minus cos A by sin A into sin A gone, it is cos A. So, sin A minus cos A divided by sin A. Next step is cos A divided by cos A minus sin A by cos A. That means cos A into cos A by cos A minus sin A. Cos A into cos A is cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A plus here also sin A by sin A minus cos A by sin A. That means sin A into sin A by sin A minus cos A. This is equal to sin square A minus sin A minus cos A. Now check here, the denominator is cos A minus sin A. Here it is sin A minus cos A. So we will change this sin A minus cos A to cos A minus sin A. That means we will take a minus, we will take minus outside. So we will do cos square A as it is divided by cos A minus sin A. Instead of plus, we take minus outside. So minus sin square A, keep as it is, sin square A divided by, if you take minus from here, if you take minus outside, it will be minus cos A, that is plus cos A, then minus sin A. So, we took minus outside, so cos A minus sin A. Now, why did we do that? Because to make the denominator equal, cos A minus sin A. Here also cos A minus sin A. Now, denominator is equal. So, cos square A minus sin square A divided by cos A minus sin A. Now, A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So, cos square A minus sin square A is equal to cos A plus sin A times into cos A minus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A cancel. So, we get cos A plus sin A, which is equal to sin A plus cos A. That is what we have to prove. Clear? Next question. Prove that 1 plus tan A tan B whole square plus tan A minus tan B whole square is equal to sec square A sec square B. So, this 1 plus tan A tan B whole square, we will expand it like A plus B whole square. We know A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, A square, it is 1 square plus 2AB, 2 into 1 into tan A tan B, that is 2 tan A tan B plus B square, here B term is tan A tan B. So, B square will be tan square A tan square B. So, that is over plus this is of the form A minus B the whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. So, A square, that is tan square A minus 2AB will be 2 tan A tan B, 2 tan A tan B plus B square, that is tan square B. Now, plus 2 tan A tan B and minus 2 tan A tan B cancel. So, we get 1 plus tan square A tan square B, 1 plus tan square A tan square B plus tan square A plus tan square B. Next step 1, capacity is 1 plus, take this tan square A, that is 1 plus tan square A, plus from here tan square A, tan square B, take tan square B common, so tan square B into, there is 1 tan square B here, so 1 plus here 1 tan square B, so what is left here, tan square A, so tan square B into 1 plus tan square A. Now here 1 plus tan square A, here also 1 plus tan square A, take it common, so 1 plus tan square A into, take this part, that is 1 plus, here if you take 1 plus tan square A, it what left is tan square B, so 1 plus tan square B, 1 plus tan square A into 1 plus tan square B. We know that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, and so sec square A into 1 plus tan square B is sec square B, sec square A, sec square B. That is what we need to prove. Let's do the next question. Next question, if cos A by cos B equal to m and cos A by sin B equal to n, show that m square plus n square into cos square B is equal to n square. So m square plus n square, m is given cos A by cos B, so m square will be cos square A divided by cos square B, plus what is n? N is cos A by sin B, so n square will be cos square A divided by sin square B into cos square B, cos square B. Now cross multiply this, cos square A sin square B, cos square A sin square B, plus cos square A cos square B, cos square A cos square B divided by cos square B sin square B, cos square B sin square B into this cos square B. So this cos square B and this cos square B cancel, we get cos square A sin square B plus cos square A cos square B. Cos square is common, take cos square outside, cos square A into then sin square B plus here cos square B divided by only sin square B here, sin square B. Now we know that sin square B plus cos square B is 1, so we get cos square A by sin square B. We know it is given that cos A by sin B equal to n, so cos square A by sin square B becomes n square. Clear? Next question, if x cos A plus y sin A is equal to m and x sin A minus y cos A equal to n, show that x square plus y square is equal to m square plus n square. Here we will take the RHS, m square plus n square. What will be m square plus n square? M square plus n square is equal to, m is this x cos A plus y sin A. So x cos A plus y sin A whole square plus n square x sin A minus y cos A whole square. This we will expand using a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square x square cos square A plus 2ab, 2 into x cos A into y sin A, that means 2xy sin A cos A, plus b square y square sin square A. So this part is over, plus this is a minus b the whole square, x square sin square A, x square sin square A minus 2ab, 2 into x sin A into y cos A, 2xy sin A cos A, plus b square y square cos square A. Now plus 2xy sin A cos A minus 2xy sin A cos A cancel. So we get x square cos square A plus y square sin square A plus x square sin square A plus y square cos square A. From here take x square outside, so x square into, there is here sin square A, here cos square A, so sin square A plus cos square A plus again take y square from here, so y square into here sin square A plus here cos square A. So we got x square into sin square A plus cos square A plus y square into sine square a plus cos square a. We know that sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So we get x square plus y square. So we proved x square plus y square equal to m square plus n square. Next question. If m equal to a ck plus b tan a and n is equal to a tan a plus b ck, prove that m square minus n square is equal to a square minus b square. So first we will take m square minus n square. M square minus n square is equal to, what is m? M is a ck plus b tan a. So m square will be its square. So a ck plus b tan a whole square minus n square. N is this, a tan a plus b ck the whole square. Again we will expand this a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square sec square a plus 2ack into b tan a. 2ack into b tan a. It become 2ab ck tan a plus this part, square of this part, b square tan square a, minus of expansion of this, a square tan square a plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2ab, 2 into a tan a into b ck, that is 2ab ck tan a plus b square, that is b square sec square a. Remove the bracket, so this minus will go to all the members here. So a square sec square a plus 2ab ck tan a, 2ab ck tan a plus b square tan square a minus a square tan square a, minus a square tan square a. Then again this minus will go here. So minus 2ab ck minus 2ab ck minus b square sec square a. Now plus 2ab ck tan a minus 2ab ck tan a cancel. Take a square common. So a square into, here there is sec square, here there is minus tan square. So a square into sec square a minus tan square a. From here take minus b square common, because in our question we have to prove minus a square minus b square. So take minus b square common, minus b square into, if we take minus b square outside, see minus b square, if we take here it is sec square. So sec square a minus, there is b square tan square a here. So if we take minus b square outside, this will be minus, so minus tan square a. Now see the bracket, a square into sec square a minus tan square a. We know that it's an identity, as sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. So a square into 1 is a square minus b square into this also 1. So a square minus b square. That is what we have to prove. We will wind up this session. Hope this is very clear to you. Let me know if you have any doubt. Stay tuned.